You guys ready? Come on, over here. Let Tuck's eat in peace. Hey, buddy. Is it good stuff? Well, you've turned on ballpark power this morning.
Right.
Is Ruby dusty?
Yeah, a little dusty.
Little dusty. Oh, wow. I could see that. I don't know if it showed up on video or not, but when you went over that top piece of glass, it definitely...
Yeah, dusty.
Dusty. Road dust. Well, thanks for dusting her.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetie. We'll do the rims and the wheels in a minute.
Hey, Stripe. Because this Tuck's done with the special bowl yet, so I can have the leftovers. That would be a not quite. Yeah, every morning I walk down the stairs with a half-gallon jug of water and the water bowl from the front porch, and I water the impatiens and this maple tree. Try to keep everything alive as best as I can. Oh, it's always fun walking down in the dark in the morning. And then, of course, in order to get to the pot, I gotta come around over here. I guess I should have turned on front yard lights too. Yeah, I love walking the stairs first thing. Hey, Panther. No need for concern, bud. He'll come back, but he doesn't like me doing that. There's my shiny Ruby. Got a hitchhiker, though. Bug beetle. Oh, good morning. I didn't see a fog warning up on my phone, but that is quite a bit more fog. Yep, it's been a low cloud, high fog, hazy, sort of a monochrome colored morning. But we're on time and we didn't have any significant issues on the way in. Nobody made me grumble too loud today. So, all is good. I'm home. Time to go walk. It's like 8:20. I'm on time. I didn't play any pogo on the way home. Marty has a 10:30 vet appointment. This will be the first time I've had Marty to the vet. I know Marty's had vet treatment. I explained that before. So we'll be trying to load him up, but not until I come home. Hi, Tux. Hi, sweet boy. Hello. Hi. I had to charge my watch this morning. I'm down like 500 steps or something because I had to have it on the charger for an extra amount of time. So I really, really need the walk here this morning. Boy, that is so far from the trash can.
Yeah.
And when we come here to exercise, we need Hershey's chocolate candy bars. Thanks for picking it up, Donnie, for, you know, society and all that good jazz.
it, sweetie. What I do for my
fellow man.
fellow man.
Good morning, Bunny. Hi. Well, they're not here by the splash pad, but I do hear them up here in the ball field, and over there to our left near the wood line is the truck and the trailer that hauls the lawn equipment. So I guess today is mow grass day. Ah, the smell of cut grass. I'm not sneezing yet. We're ending our first time around here. John and I were talking this morning. We're all confused about what day of the week it is. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It seems like it should be a Tuesday or a Thursday, but certainly not a Wednesday. All right, here goes time number 3. They're making me tired riding around out there on their tractors. They got 3 of them going right now.
Okay, 5,828 steps, 52 minutes even, 19 minutes, 15 seconds per mile. Not bad.
Not bad. Well, we stopped to pick up more trash than normal today.
Fair
before the guys mowed over it up at South Park, and there was just more food wrappers on the trail than normal today.
Yeah. All right, well, let me get going, and I'll see you back at the house.
All right, I love you.
I love you too. Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss. I was reminded this weekend just how steep that hill is.
That's right.
So one of our viewers pointed out that the number of profiles you had could increase the time to unlock or open, and including easy entry, and that certainly could be possible with Jules because there's like 8 or 9 profiles. And then I have to ask Kyle what he thinks with his Model 3, because I think the maximum number of profiles is like 16 and he has all of them in use. But Ruby has quite a few because I've added drive-through and work, and you know, it's not as many as Jules because there's no key card and no phone key, just the fob, I think. So there's not as many, but there are more than 1 or 2. The main difference, I think, is that Ruby can detect the fob from farther away, like 15 feet, 10 feet for sure, and Jules, you've got to be closer. That's my observation. But since I've paused for 2 seconds and I've made sure my fob and key card and stuff are like on my hip, it has gotten faster than it was, more consistent. And since I redid the profiles so that all the ones that were mine were resaved back to my name, my whatever, it hasn't been thinking I'm Dawn hardly ever. So it's a big improvement over where it was at one point. Our friends with the Model 3 are here. Hadn't seen them for a little while. Doesn't mean they haven't been coming, just our times haven't been overlapping. You gonna come sit with me for a few minutes? That's my buddy. He's just making sure he's not gonna get attacked as he walks past the ferns. Hey, bud. They're not there. I scoped it out for you before I called you. See, there they come. There they are. Stripe's like, I'm just gonna ignore you, Marty. No, Stripe, don't you see Tux? Yeah. I had no trouble loading Marty up. He cried a time or 2, but he's not going on non-stop. And I'm headed up to the vet with him for his shots. They came and they took Marty to the back because they can handle him better back there. And he doesn't look happy. He doesn't look happy. See? Well, Marty still looks pretty petrified, but apparently he was a very well-behaved boy and didn't give them any trouble whatsoever. And she said he's probably like 6. And as much as he lays around, stays close to the house, acts like Tux, I kind of figured he was older. So, yeah, he has a chipped tooth. And he was scratching on his ears, but no ear mites. And he got all his shots, and he's good. He's good to go. I need to bring him back in a month for the feline leukemia booster. If I can get him back, that would be the right thing to do. Should I let him out, Tux? He ate a little bit. Matter of fact, he ate a good bit. He seems to be doing fine. Just because he's older, she wanted me to keep a little bit of a closer eye on him. But, come on, Marty, you can come out. You usually stay really close to the house anyway. There you go. Hi, Mart. Hi, Marty. He goes, I want my own water, Mom. I know you gave me water, but that wasn't the water I wanted. Him and Tux like the fairy garden water. Don't you, buddy? You gonna be easy to get along with, Tux, for a little while? I got Stripe settled up here, and Morris is hiding in the ferns, not causing anyone any trouble. The flower petals came yesterday, so I'm going to finish up the flowers, and then I'm going to finish up the stairs, and then we'll see what time it is. It's about 1:45. I've made good progress again. As you can see, I've got the second row of 75 black slopes installed, but I'm missing 10. And it just so happens that I started on this side and went around, and then they're missing along the front. So, no biggie, but I'm going to need to find or order 10 more 75 slopes. Well, as it turns out, I actually have 8 of them on the way. I could easily substitute a few singles here and there and make it look fine. So, Friday through next Wednesday, let's hope Friday be good. Friday. Hey, Midnight, you're upside down. So I actually found some more of the 75 double slopes, enough to finish the roof line here. You remember that there is a little more roof line over here, and I've ordered enough. I have like 6 or 8 more, and I ordered enough to be able to finish it also. So, but anyway, I was able to finish this. I didn't think I was going to be able to do that today. I'm very, very pleased. Well, you know, when I get this close to the end of my projects, I really pick up the pace and I want to finish. When I'm just starting out, I'm pretty content to work an hour here, an hour there. But when I get the end in sight, I wanna finish it. So I would say for sure, by the end of the weekend, I will have received all the parts that I'm waiting that are needed to finish it up. I have more stuff I can still do. But obviously I think I'm going to be waiting on some pieces to finish some stuff up. So, like I said, hopefully I'll have them at the very latest Saturday and then be done by the end of the weekend. It's awfully heavy on that table now. I'm really sort of ready to put it in a safer spot, if for no other reason than wanting to finish. So I'm on my way downtown. It's 1:38. Let me go and choose work here. Work. And see what my arrival time is. It shouldn't be too late. 2:16 p.m. Yep, that'll work. So it'll be 2:20. That'll be fine. Don's in there working away. Marty greeted me when I left and seems to be doing well. The vet, like I said, did tell me to keep a little bit extra eye on him since he's older. She said 6-ish, and we don't know how he does or doesn't do with vaccines. So, you know, she just you know, make sure there's no allergic reaction, make sure there's no inflammation type reaction. Just keep an eye on him. So I will. He stays so close to the back door that I didn't really feel the need to contain him, but more than a few minutes. I had him in the catio for a little bit and then I let him out. Well, they're really getting serious over here. Just north of Wake Tech. 540 belt line construction. Hopefully it won't slow me down too much. Ruby says it's 88 out there. There were some showers in the area, but not at our house. I didn't really think the lane was closed past where they're digging here, so I don't know why it's slowed down quite as much as it is. That's my kind of sunny skyline. Very pretty this afternoon. So a little birdie let me know that there was a bin of Legos at Guardian Angel, and it looks like all authentic parts. And some really interesting things, like this whole boat is Lego, including the blue part. Here's a police boat. Looks like some sort of a Martian rover. An incomplete, but I'm sure totally fixable with original stickers, space shuttle. A NASA rocket of some sort. There's dune buggies in here. And yeah, several base plates. Those obviously come in handy for my houses. And then I've never seen this before, but it's like a mountain range and then like a road, or I don't know. Anyway, some really interesting things in here, and I'm not going to do any more today, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. There are dirty Legos, but in good condition Legos, just like somebody had it maybe in this bin, but not with a lid. Or some kid spilled their juice box. So, totally cleanable, but I will have to work a little bit on these. Johnny was pretty excited about some of the Technique parts. I'm excited that these are like 2 friend kits that are separate and clean. And I need to do a black floor for the roof on my building, and I found several plates that I'm sure are going to work for that. Well, I built the rest of the height on the chimney. I built the flat black part of the roof. I put on the little skeleton legs, but have not put the bars on yet, deciding if I want bars or I like it the way it is. They flattened the top of the roof, and that's really expensive, and I don't know, I think roofs are supposed to be bumpy up top there, so I'm probably not going to do that. I don't plan to do it. So what do I have left to do? Well, I gotta build this little window area here, and there's a arch interior support, and then, you know, come in and put the brown, finish off the brown tiles. Decide if I wanted any furniture or people upstairs. But that's pretty much it. I mean, it's yeah, this will look pretty because, you know, there's one more roof line up here. Kind of like on the haunted house that's in the kitchen. But, yeah, it's coming along. I'm pretty pleased with it. Yeah, and I was watching Monroe Live and Sandy while I was working on my house.